Welcome back, everyone. Day 30. Please hit like and subscribe. So today I fiberglassed. Started back here. I think it came out really nice a couple hours ago. A couple overlaps, so you can see some bumps there, but I'll sand down. Everything came out really nice. The only problem I had was right here. It just never absorbed. It was a second batch of epoxy, and it just never absorbed. It's over the top, it's fine. It never went through. I don't know if the cloth was too, I have no idea. So I have to sand that down, get rid of the cloth, and then patch it back over there. So that should be no problem. Cut out, it's around the windows, so I'll have to continue to do that. I think I did a good job along here. There's a couple of patches that are a little thin, as you can see, but a lot of this you see here underneath, it's actually like Bondo. When I did it flattened out, it's actually not the fiberglass material. There's Bondo material underneath to smooth it out, so that's the only spot that's bad. Ended up doing that. A little bit of overlap here just to kind of make it nice and solid. So this was the last thing I did, was the front. I think it came out pretty good. And then I just got some wood holding it up there, and then I got to just finish the top. This side I did not do yet, so that'll be probably next. Did have, I don't know why, when I was moving the trailer, I took the wheels off and jack, the top just popped. So it's kind of annoying with that VHB 3M tape. So I put some more tape in there, and then I also put some PL adhesive, so I'm letting that go. So we'll see how that comes out. I also did the back outer. Today I added that on, routed around all the edges, and then I fiberglassed it. So I think that came out pretty good. A little bit of overlap, but it's, you know, I know everyone talks about fairing and this and that, and you know, obviously I'm going to sand it, but it's so nominal. I think just a good sanding would be sufficient to make it really nice and smooth. I do plan on doing another coat of epoxy, you know, along here, and so just sticking out on the bottom, which I got to just trim once it all dries, and then I will do the second coat of epoxy, and that should really firm it up, and I don't think I'll have any issues. So you can kind of see it's still a little bit damp, but it's coming along. For the first time doing a little fiberglassing, not too bad. And then on the top, I did just a little bit along the edge here. The cloth I got is 3-ounce cloth, and it's 60 inches wide. I got it from Rakia, the epoxy in that. So I'll just overlap it on the top, so it'll come down the middle. So I needed, the trailer is 64 inches wide, so I needed at least 2 inches. I went over a little bit more, and I'll just cut off a little bit here where it's not tucked down here, so won't be a problem. And then up top's a little bit sloppy, but not too bad. I kept having trouble. Today was 90 degrees out. It was really hot, and the stuff kept really drying on me very quickly and curing. So which is weird, because I did get the slow, the non-blush hardener, which I believe is a slow. So sorry for the movement, but the Raka epoxy hardener. So I've been using that in just small batches, you know, 2-3 ounces at a time, and just kind of going from there. So I've been trying to do that so it wouldn't do that, but you know, occasionally it would just go when you're moving stuff around or whatever it is. So I think everything's coming out really well. Stuff is messy to work with, especially on the vertical walls. Kind of looking forward to doing the top, so it'll be horizontal, and I don't have to worry about it as much. And then also too, the last coat of epoxy will be, I think, fairly easy to do. Just a thin coat on the top after I sand it. I have been using the an air sander, which has been just absolutely much easier than the electric sanders. Thing just spins. So I ended up buying a Husky 20-gallon 200 psi from Home Depot, and then I bought an extra 20-gallon tank off Amazon, so it give me enough air to get everything done. Anyway, please hit like, please hit subscribe. Tomorrow hopefully I'll get the other side done. I'm gonna leave it out to dry tonight, and then tomorrow will be the other side and the top, and then I should be able to let it dry and start sanding. So anyway, thanks a lot. Please hit like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, suggestions, just let me know. Thanks, bye.